What's going on, guys? Welcome back again to another video. So today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the GLORYFIRE gun cleaning kit. So this kit I got from Amazon. It was about 14 bucks. And this one is for a .22, a 40, a 45, a 357, and 9mm caliber pistol cleaning kit. This is a brass kit. Alright, so let's get into it. Already though, this doesn't sound like something went wrong here. Alright, let's see what's going on. Let's open this bad boy up. So what do we got here? We got ourselves some swabs here. Well, it's an instruction book, I should say. Like a component list and whatnot. It's pretty much whatever's in this box. Got some patches. And wow, look, everything. Wow, not a great first impression, GLORYFIRE. Alright, let's put this back together and let's see, and then let's reopen it. Give me 1 second. Alright, so this is what it should have looked like when I got the package. So you have all your board cleaning brushes here. You have your jags here, your mops here, and to push the, what's it called, through the patch through. So they're all labeled 22, 45, 49, and then the jags are 45. I believe this one's 40, and 35. So the 35 will fit a 9mm as well. And then these are 22, 22, and I believe this one was like 45. And then you also get these two rods here to complete the rod. So you can just connect them like that, connect them to the handle, and then you get a pick, cotton swabs, and a nylon brush. And you also get these patches. And here's just the one I've been using. And you also get this little rod snake thing. 220mm cable. Alright. So I will demonstrate on how to use this with this little pen cap, this little pen body that I have here. So, alright. So the easiest way to clean your gun is going to be, you start off with the nylon brush. I'm just going to use a 22. 22 is too big. Let's go next size up. I think a 9 is going to be too big. Oh, yeah, it's going to be too big. We'll just use a 22 for these examples. So what you want to do is you'll want to use whatever caliber size you need, right? You'll attach it, and then what you'll do is you just go in, but you have to go in all the way till you're completely out on the other side, and then back out, right? So that's how you start with that. So this is how you clean the actual, clean it up, right? So the reason, there's 3 ways to go about this. You have the thing that holds the patches, these what are these called? Slotted tips. Or you can use go ahead and use these cotton swabs here, or you can use the jag. So we'll demonstrate first with the patch holder. So you will again grab that, and then you'll push this through. It's like threading a big ass needle. And then you'll either just put a little bit of your cleaning solution on here, and then you'll just go ahead, same thing, all the way in, all the way out, all the way in, all the way out, and you'll just run that through until your patch essentially comes out clean. And then vice versa, and then, or you can do it with this. So you'll just unscrew this guy, and you'll put this guy through. Same process, all the way in, all the way out. All the way in, all the way out. I don't know if these are replaceable, so that's why I probably wouldn't use these. I'd probably use those only as like a final clean once the patch comes out clear. Or what you can do, see, that's what I'm not liking so far, is that it unscrews very easily while you're using it. So we'll see what it's like when I actually clean my gun. Alright, then you'll put this jag tip, right? People might not know what these are, but these are another way to hold the patch. And so what you do is you basically stab it through in the middle or in the whatever. And then the same thing. The reason for this is that this barrel thing is going to be so tight with the patch, it should clean it like initially through its like first run. And then just again all the way in. It might not come back out because it's only being held by just this little pokey, by the little end there. So yeah, and then once your patch comes out clean, you're basically done. So I will clean my gun with it, and then I'll give you my final review. What's going on, guys? So I finished cleaning my gun. The only thing, like when I was doing the review part with just the pen, is that these rods that are connected, they unscrew a lot while you're working, just naturally by just movement as you're working. So that's the only thing I didn't like. I mean, other than that, it did the job. It got the gun clean. I think my favorite were these jags. They cleaned it so much faster than just constantly running patches through with the holder. So the jags worked really good. If you've never used them, I would say give them a try. The only thing I didn't like, because I've tested other, well, not tested, but I've used other, like at my friend's house and stuff like that, when I've helped them clean their guns after a day at the range. Some people have this that's all one piece, but the head swivels freely, so you know when you're moving it helps out while you're cleaning. But all in all, I think it was a pretty good kit. It's a really nice small kit, especially if you only have one gun. I don't really think you need a really huge universal cleaning kit if you only have one gun. Like if you just have, you know, just one caliber, like even if you have multiple guns but they're all the same caliber, this is more than enough in my opinion. I feel like if you have, like, you know, AR and 5.56, and you have a 12 gauge shotgun, and you have, you know, Desert Eagle in a higher caliber than 45, and you have, you know, then yeah, get a universal cleaning kit that has way more caliber sizes and stuff like that, or get individual cleaning kits for each one of your guns that you may have. So for me, just being a handgun owner in 9mm, this is more than enough for me. I like it because it's small. It'll fit in my range bag. I just leave it in there. It works. Like I said, it did the job good. The only thing is just some operational things I didn't like, which, like I said, were, I think in my opinion, just personal preference. I just don't like how the heads and stuff unscrew themselves as you're working. So, but you know, it wasn't the end of the world. It didn't make the whole process unbearable or undoable. So in my opinion, if you're looking for just, if you got your first handgun and you're looking for a good brand, I think GLORYFIRE is a good name. I mean, a good brand. So I'll put the link in the description for this guy. Look how small that is. I'll put the link in the description for this. Go ahead and pick it up. I don't have any affiliates or anything, so just use the link. No, don't worry about anything like that if you care that much. Again, thank you for watching. Hopefully it helped out. Hopefully it made you learn. Hope it gave a quick description on also how to clean a gun. But yeah, all right, till the next one.